I'll never forget ruining a family dinner after noticing tiny blue plastic shavings in my freshly chopped vegetables. That cheap plastic cutting board was literally feeding my family microplastics, and the deep knife grooves were a breeding ground for bacteria. Finding a truly non-toxic, durable replacement on Amazon felt impossible with all the misleading marketing. So I bought and rigorously tested the most popular options to find the ultimate safe, chemical-free boards. Today, I'm ranking the top 5. Stick around for my number 1 pick because it's a total game changer for any kitchen. 5. Virginia Boys Kitchen's Walnut Cutting Board. Right out of the package, the visual appeal of this board is undeniable. The rich, deep chocolate color of the American walnut makes it look less like a standard kitchen tool and more like a premium piece of artisanal craftsmanship. It brings a profound aesthetic warmth to the kitchen counter, and knowing it is sustainably sourced right here in the USA without any toxic glues or dyes provides immense peace of mind for health-conscious cooks. Taking my chef's knife to it for the first time, I immediately appreciated the tactile feedback. Walnut is a relatively soft hardwood, which means it feels incredibly buttery and gentle against a sharp blade. When I was finally dicing onions and slicing delicate heirloom tomatoes, the board provided a smooth, forgiving surface that felt fantastic under the hand. The natural wood fibers gripped the food just enough to prevent slipping, making precision cuts feel effortless. However, that exact softness quickly revealed itself to be a significant vulnerability during my testing phase. Within just the first week of daily meal prep, the surface accumulated an alarming amount of deep scratches and knife scoring. Furthermore, this board ships completely unseasoned. You cannot use it right out of the box. You are forced to spend extra money on food-grade wax or oil and spend days applying multiple coats to build up a protective barrier against moisture. This unexpected barrier to entry was quite frustrating. Ultimately, while the Virginia Boys board is entirely non-toxic and gorgeous, its practicality as a daily workhorse falls short. If you are looking for a stunning charcuterie board or a serving platter for occasional light prep, it is a beautiful choice. 4. Epicurean Kitchen Series Wood Composite Board. The immediate draw of this product is its modern convenience. It is crafted from a unique wood fiber composite that is bound together with a food-safe, non-toxic resin. This results in a board that is incredibly thin, shockingly lightweight, and delightfully easy to pull out of a cabinet for a quick meal. The standout feature that I was most eager to test was its ability to withstand the dishwasher. After prepping raw poultry, the sheer anxiety relief of throwing this board straight into the bottom rack of the dishwasher cannot be overstated. It handles extreme heat and sanitizing cycles flawlessly without any warping, cracking, or splitting. Because the composite material is entirely non-porous, it firmly rejects moisture, meaning it will never harbor harmful bacteria or hold on to lingering food odors. But when it comes to the actual mechanics of chopping, the experience is noticeably flawed. The very first time my blade struck the Epicurean board, it produced a harsh, echoing clack that resonated through the kitchen. The material is brutally hard, and over the course of 2 weeks of testing, I watched the razor-sharp edge of my favorite Japanese prep knife visibly degrade. I found myself having to stop and hone my blade almost every single day, which is a massive drawback for anyone who invests in high-quality cutlery. To compound the issue, the board's lightweight and thin profile works against it on the countertop. Without placing a damp towel underneath it, the board slipped and slid aggressively while I was trying to chop dense root vegetables, creating a genuine safety hazard. 3. Sonder Los Angeles Alfred Acacia Wood Board. Stepping up to this board felt like a massive upgrade in terms of sheer build quality and functionality. Acacia wood is known for its striking high-contrast grain patterns, blending deep browns with golden blondes, and this board displays those variations beautifully. It instantly elevates the look of your prep station while remaining completely free of harmful chemicals and synthetic varnishes. What sets this board apart during testing is its exceptionally smart design. It features a deep, wide juice groove running along the perimeter, which absolutely saved my countertops when I was resting and carving a massive, juicy flank steak. Even better, it has 3 cleverly carved built-in compartments on one side. I found these incredibly useful for sliding diced garlic, chopped herbs, and minced onions out of the way, while keeping my main cutting area totally clear for the rest of my prep work. In terms of performance, Acacia is a significantly harder wood than walnut, and it showed. It absorbed the impact of heavy chopping and aggressive mincing without showing nearly as much scarring or damage. It strikes a very comfortable middle ground, hard enough to resist deep bacterial grooves, but not so hard that it instantly rolls the edge of your knives. It does require routine oiling to prevent the wood from drying out or splintering, but the maintenance schedule is entirely manageable for the quality you receive. The Sonder Los Angeles board is a brilliant mid-range champion. It perfectly bridges the gap between a highly functional heavy-duty prep station and a beautiful, rustic serving piece. 2. Teakhaus Edge Grain Professional Cutting Board. The moment you unbox this board, you understand why the word professional is in the title. It has a commanding heavy presence, offering a massive surface area that makes you want to immediately start prepping a Thanksgiving feast. Crafted from FSC-certified teak wood, it is an environmentally sustainable choice that boasts an incredibly premium, golden brown aesthetic. The true magic of this board lies in the natural properties of teak wood. Teak is incredibly rich in natural oils and silica, which I immediately noticed during my moisture tests. When I chopped wet ingredients like tomatoes and citrus fruits, the juices beaded up on the surface, rather than soaking into the wood fibers. This inherent moisture resistance makes the board naturally antimicrobial and fiercely resistant to warping, ensuring a completely sanitary and non-toxic environment for your food. Chopping on the Teakhaus is an absolute dream. It provides a dense, solid thud with every knife strike, and the edge grain construction heals beautifully from minor cuts. Despite aggressive daily use involving heavy cleavers and sharp chef's knives, the board maintained a remarkably smooth surface. It treats expensive knife blades with the utmost respect, maintaining their sharp edges for weeks on end without requiring constant honing or sharpening. The only slight hurdle with this board is its sheer physical weight. Hauling this massive block over to the sink to wash it with warm soapy water requires 2 hands and a bit of muscle, and it will dominate the drying rack. However, that heavy weight is exactly what keeps it perfectly anchored to the counter during heavy-duty prep work. 1. John Boo's Block Chop and Slice Maple Cutting Board. There is a very specific reason why you see John Boo's blocks resting on the counters of nearly every high-end restaurant and cooking show on television. Sourced from sustainably harvested northern hard rock maple, this board is the undisputed gold standard for non-toxic professional kitchen prep, utilizing food-safe glues and completely natural wood finishes. Testing the maple surface was a revelation. Hard rock maple possesses an incredibly tight, dense grain structure. Unlike softer woods that absorb liquids and harbor dangerous bacteria in deep cuts, the Boo's block effectively repels moisture. After carving roasted chickens and prepping heavily marinated meats, the board wiped totally clean with 0 lingering odors or stains. It provides the ultimate hygienic surface, giving you absolute confidence that you are preparing meals in a truly safe, non-toxic environment. The tactile cutting experience is unparalleled. The maple provides the perfect amount of resistance. It is remarkably durable and highly resistant to gouging, yet it possesses a microscopic give that acts as a shock absorber for your knife edge. I used my most delicate, high-carbon steel knives on this board extensively, and their edges remained flawlessly sharp. Every slice feels crisp, controlled, and deeply satisfying, transforming tedious meal prep into a genuine joy. Furthermore, the chop and slice features a completely reversible flat design. By simply flipping the board over, you instantly double its workable lifespan, allowing you to dedicate one side to raw meats and the other to vegetables if you choose. With regular applications of Boo's Block cream, this board will not just last for a few years, it is built to last for generations.